How to set full screen calendar alerts with custom sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on calendar app. Now here, so click on this three line icon and click on settings icon. So after click on settings icon, scroll down and click on alert types. So after click on alert types, so if you want to set full screen calendar alert with custom, so you will select strong, medium and light. So after select medium, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set full screen calendar alerts with custom sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.